Hi, today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what we call spring cleaning. Spring cleaning to me is very nostalgic. Back when I was a little girl, my mother used to do it the beginning of spring every year. Everything was torn apart and cleaned and put back together. It was a real deal. It was maybe 2 weeks. That since has died out in our culture a little bit. Everybody's kind of taken on a new meaning for spring cleaning, or they don't do it. They just do certain things, at other times. Nothing's right, nothing's wrong in this. But I'd like to share with you a little bit about what I've been doing that works out really well for me. Now, first of all, spring's already started. And you know what I say to that? So what? You can do this any time of the year you want. And depending on what part of this blue marble you sit on, this may not be spring for you. Say if you're in Australia, it may be autumn. But in any case, whenever you do it, break it up. Do not tear your whole house up at one time and get yourself exhausted. Pick things to work on each week. I like an 8-week program where I each week I do a couple of different things. So like my first week, I will do baseboards, the dreaded baseboards. Yes, I hate baseboards. And then I will also dust things that don't normally get dusted, like the top of a ceiling fan, or scrub down the top of that refrigerator that gets a nice little mix of dust and grease. Do the things that you don't normally do when you clean. In my opinion, if you do that once a year, no matter what time of year you're doing it, it's spring cleaning. You know, the old thing about, tearing everything up in the house and working like a dog 8 hours a day for so many days. Let's face it, we can't do that anymore. Our world's not like that. We have other things we need to do, and this is a way that we can work it in. So anyway, take a little time to think about that and say, do I want to approach spring cleaning, and do I want to approach it a little differently this year? Talk to you later.